Good day, my name is John Stevens, President of Electromax, and today we're going to discuss all the benefits and features of the exciting new SSP, or System Surge Protector. The SSP's primary function is to protect the alternator from voltage surges, sometimes called spikes, created when a BMS of any maker lithium battery takes the batteries offline. The SSP instantly disconnects the alternator upon sensing the surge, and once this is passed, the SSP allows the alternator to continue operating as per normal. The SSP keeps the alternator isolated for the entire length of time the surge lasts. Any energy created by the surge is also dissipated by the SSP. As you can see, the wiring of this device is very simple. The device can be located anywhere in the system in parallel. The two 5/16 or 8mm studs are battery negative on the right and battery positive on the left. Above these two studs are four smaller studs, 4mm. The two on the right are external alternator regulators only, marked field. If you are still using your alternator's internal regulator, please only use the two on the left marked ignition. The supply and return of either can be connected to either position. For further details and the complete information on the SSP, please visit electromax.com.